Hello everybody, I am here today to do the unboxing for Memoria Press's Simply Classical, Myself and Others, Level 3. I'm really excited about this. I love Simply Classical. I love the book that was put out by Cheryl Swope. It's a marvelous book. If you haven't read it, it is definitely worth the read. So let us get started here. 2 packages as well as a digital download that I'm going to share. So what comes in the package is the Aesop's copyright, the Healthy Happy Habits, the Myself and Others. This is a teacher's book. A Penny's Worth of Character, Sarah Plain and Tall. You also get their catalog, which is the Classical Teacher, which has some great articles in it. It's not part of the actual curriculum, but they put you on their mailing list usually, and it's got some wonderful things to read in there. And you also get the Aesop's Fables for Children, which is kind of the backbone spine of this curriculum. The digital download comes from their website. You log in, you just click it and it downloads, and it is visual cues having to do with the some of the things that they're teaching in the curriculum, along with a 5-step good hand washing guide. I know this is something that's really important right now as everyone's talking about good hand washing habits. So that's it for this wonderful curriculum, and I will see you in my review. Thank you.